I will show you how to animate in CLO3D today because a lot of people, a lot of my followers ask for it. And it's actually very easy because there's already, if you go on in the library on the avatar tab, then I have a male avatar. So I will go on male and here on motion. Let me move the chat away. And then you have a lot of motions. I have to download these. And then you can apply it to the avatar. For example, a walking animation. And to animate, to have a realistic garment movement, it's best to have your garment, your pattern in a particle distance of 5 or lower if you want that. And you have to go to animation, to your animation editor. And there you can animate. Yeah, here's my animation editor. I can move this up. And now when for example, here is walking. I don't know which animation, but I will check it out. I can just double click on it and open the motion. And now it is applied to the avatar. Because now when I click play, you see the avatar, it's walking in place. Like this. And it stops here because that's the timeline. I can make this longer to the end. When I press Control, I can zoom out and zoom in. Now you can see the full movement. And now I have to animate the garment with it. And it's best to switch to the CPU, simulation, and animation stable. And I also, to avoid bugs of the shoes, I use my animation shoes, my simulation shoes. That's like the same shoes, but it's simpler. I also have to reduce the skin offset, so it sits tighter. And now when I press this button here, now it will start working. One short hack, let's pause this. One short hack that you can use is, let's delete the layer again. And then first start with the GPU mode. The animation should be faster now. It has to start. Now it's moving faster until here. That's the start position. Oh, I see already. Let's pause it. This one is frozen. I have to activate it. Let's switch back to the default mode. I also have to attach it, but there's a little bit of a bug. I will delete this and copy the other one. Hopefully it copies the end too. Yeah. Okay. Let's make it a bit shorter. And sew it back to here, to my elastic waistband. Simulate again. All right, that's better. So now I have my garment in the start position already. And I can start the real animation. Go to animation mode, CPU. Now I will start animating it. This will take some time. But that's basically how you do it. Let me stop that. So that's the first motion. And if you want the avatar to move slower because sometimes garment is moving too fast, then what you can do is you can change the scene time warp to something like 1.5. And now you will see it move slower. And then later, after animating, you can change it back. Let me show you. So that's fast. Like this is the slower. And then when I change it back to 1, you will see it will go faster again. The animation itself is slower, but then you can render faster.